Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to my channel. I'm your host Nabil, and today I'm here with another exciting travel documentary for my traveler friends. In this video, we're going to explore Azerbaijan. From any corner of Pakistan, your journey to Azerbaijan begins the same way, with a simple online visa application. No matter which province or district you call home, the process is just a few clicks away. This is Azerbaijan, where east meets west, and every road leads to a new discovery. From the modern skyline of Baku to ancient mountain villages, from the fire temples to the shores of the Caspian Sea, this land offers culture, history, and beauty waiting to be explored. For Pakistani travelers, the process is now simpler than ever. Gone are the days of embassy visits and endless paperwork. Azerbaijan offers a quick and efficient e-visa system, officially known as the ASAN visa. To apply for your Azerbaijan e-visa, only a few essential documents are required: a valid passport, a recent passport-sized photograph, an active email address to receive updates, and your e-visa Visa or MasterCard for the payment process, and your basic travel details. Applying for Azerbaijan's e-visa is simple. Just visit official website, select your nationality and purpose, enter your details with a hotel address, upload your passport copy, and choose standard processing. Baku offers incredible sights for every traveler. At its heart lies İçeri Şehir, the old city, while just 3 kilometers away, the flame towers light up the skyline. From Upland Park, enjoy stunning views of the Caspian Sea. The modern Haydar Aliyev Center sits only 5 kilometers from the old city, and Nizami Street buzzes with shopping and dining. A short drive takes you to the Bibi Haybat Mosque, and along the seafront, Little Venice adds a touch of charm. And just an hour away, Gobustan National Park awaits with ancient rock carvings and mud volcanoes. Beyond Baku, Azerbaijan is filled with stunning destinations to explore. To the northwest, Sheki awaits, about 300 kilometers away, rich in history and culture. A 4-hour drive takes you to Gabala, surrounded by mountains and nature. Just 120 kilometers from the capital lies Shamaki, once the ancient capital of the Shirvanshahs. From there, a scenic 3-hour drive leads to Lahij village, famous for its cobbled streets and traditional crafts. Heading north, Quba sits 170 kilometers from Baku, known for its apple orchards and serene landscapes. Further ahead, after a 4 to 5-hour drive, you reach Kinalik village, one of the highest and most ancient mountain settlements in the Caucasus. Baku's coastline along the Caspian Sea is full of relaxing beaches. Close to the city, Baku Boulevard and Crystal Hall are perfect hangouts. Just 10 kilometers away, Shikov Beach is a popular escape. At 35 kilometers lies Bilga Beach, while Mardakan beaches are about 40 kilometers out. And for a quieter retreat, Nardaran Beach awaits just 45 kilometers from the city. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Your support truly means a lot.